Hello and welcome to today's under 3-minute video of the Rapido C50 motorhome at Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf. How much does it cost? I think I can remember the price for the 2020 version actually, but I'm not going to say. And the reason I'm not going to say is because I might get it wrong. And if I get it wrong and somebody then wants to buy one, they might be a bit cheesed off. Here, I'll put the lights on. Lights don't work, never mind. Gives you an idea. You've got this big bed at the back like that. You can see the bed's up. What's good about having the bed up like this is you can see how much space you've got under the bed. And this is a, I think if I remember, memory serves me correctly, 650 centimeters in length. But I do urge you to see the video in more depth and not to rely on my memory. I did try to turn the lights on, but they haven't been connected yet, so we'll come back a bit later when they are connected. Big wide drawers. Here's something a little bit unusual. See the cover and for the cooker and or the hobs, and I'm interested to know what people think of that. Rapido's using it. Other companies, not just Rapido, using this one. Comes from the Italian manufacturer Carmann, and I think it looks quite smart. It's also been put into campervans as well a lot. So anyway, just make the point. Yeah, look, there's the thing. Look. You see, not on. Not my fault. I did try, but anyway, it'll be on a bit later. One daft thing I think is this chair down here. Sometimes these chairs are part of an extra bed. So let's have a quick walk around the outside. Fiat Multijet. And so if you I'll show you the garage as well before I sign off. Can't remember if I showed, yes I just showed the toilet. Oh, and you've got here, that's your gas, and it goes in there. And garage isn't bad size at all really for a van of this nature. I quite like this one actually. I quite like the queen bed. I like the layout. C50 is the name, and if you want to see a longer video, there will be a link below, if there is one. There mightn't be one, so in which case there won't be a link below, or it could be that I haven't actually got around to publishing it yet. Anyway, it'll be one of them. I hope you found this interesting, and if you did, then give it a like, and if you didn't, give it a like as well. Thanks for watching.